Morning guys, it's Monday morning, it's day 10 and you've caught us back and we're just finishing off the plasterboarding down the edge here, and then I'm going to use some fibre tape and I'll explain what that is in a minute, and I'm going to use some micro bead ready for plastering, and again I'll explain and show what I'm using from there.
And I'm going to be finishing off. I've got the last little bit of take off the wallpaper there today. And
Steaming.
yeah, and then the living room's really done then, isn't it? So we're really pleased we're going to have it plastered.
Yeah.
And then we're on to the kitchen. We're going to take the kitchen out.
Yeah.
But there's one thing that you've got to do today.
And what is that?
It's my birthday. It's going to take me out for lunch.
It is. So also happy birthday to Karen.
So we're going to have a little break today.
Yep, so we're going to have a little break and I'm going to take her out for lunch. That's the sort of bloke I am. Dan Greasy Spoon Calf.
And then we'll be back taking the kitchen out.
She's only 46 today, so she's doing well. So it's a birthday. So I can't push it too hard today, guys. So I can't push it too hard.
Gentle day today.
Gentle day.
Yeah.
So I want to explain the bits I'm using, and then we'll put you on time lapse. So, okay. I'll see you in a minute. I'll let you crack on.
Yeah, I'll see you later then.
Yep. Okay, so I'm going to be using Jute Rock fibre tape, and this is a fiberglass tape that we put on the joints. So basically I'll put it on the joint between the plasterboard and the wall, and I may put a double run down there, and then basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over where I filled in the joints. I mean, you don't even need to do that with this tape. You could just go over the gap and put it on there, but I filled in the gaps because I didn't want it to go, because I don't want it to sink in with the tape. It shouldn't do, but you never know. So basically you need is a knife, and it's a self-adhesive tape, and you just put it over all the joints. So start from the top, and there you go. So basically put it on the middle between this board and this board, right in the middle. Push it hard against the wall, and as I come down, I just press this harder on there, and as it's self-adhesive, it sticks to the wall, come all the way down, and then I'll cut it off the bottom where we got skirting going across. So that's pushed harder as there, and basically what this does is obviously it stops the balls. If they did move, this tape's on there, so it's a bit more flexible, so when it's plastered it won't crack. So that's the idea of the joints. So I want it on all the joints all the way over here, all the bits and pieces, and then when I've done that, guys, I will use this. Get this out, show you what these are in the box here. Hopefully we should be able to get on at the end here. So pull these out. Okay, so this is what you call a micro bead. It's for plastering, and basically this goes on all the edges and corners, and so basically obviously you get a nice straight edge. So what it's for is that it makes a nice sharp edge with a plaster go right against, and so it doesn't chip, so it just reinforces the corners. Now you cut this using tin snips, okay, and when you want to join the pieces together, you cut this at the angle. So I'll cut this at the angle this way, and then when I put a piece at a 45 degree, it will fit nicely together. And then what we do is usually, like if you're doing it when you're plastering, you dab a little bit of plaster on the wall first and then stick it on there. But I've got some grab adhesive, some of this strong grab adhesive, and basically I'm just going to dab that all the way around on the edges, put it all the way around, and then press that in, and that's going to give us a straight edge. So I'm going to put you on time lapse, and then I'm going to go around doing the bits and pieces, and you can watch me from there, guys.